They are 13,000 in number, and look at what has happened to them. Why we are just 6,000? We are less than 6,000, and government and the finance minister is not willing to pay us.
Ebusiama wakwa baby Dabagan and Sam TV. So, Minoka said over 6,000 teachers on Match for almost a year now. John Dramani Mahama, aka Bolebambo Nebuchadnezzar, senior Diobeding, Obetiomoka, and I'm so. I'm going to just say, it don't be the crown and why ding. Ama and easy and far more.
They are 13,000 in number, and look at what has happened to them. Why we are just 6,000? We are less than 6,000, and government and the finance minister is not willing to pay us. Are we also equally not Ghanaians?
Okay, 9 to 13 months of unpaid salaries are affecting your daily responsibilities. How are you coping?
In fact, most of us have lived on loans and petty gifts from our families and friends. As we speak to you, some of my people are even have passed away because of the fact that they are unable to have good living conditions. My colleagues in the Tamale and other parts of the northern region are facing health crisis. Some of them are not even having potable good water to even talk of how to even survive. The funny aspect and the painful part of it is that we have persons with disability among us who are over 35 to 50 people. They are also unable to live within their means and their conditions. Look at the ability of able people who can even work, and talking about persons with disability. And those who are persons with disability, are even about to also strike. Why should government be treating us this way?
You are not being paid and you go for loans. How do you pay them?
We have promised our debtors that we would pay once our monies come. And even some of us, we've been disconnected as far as our utilities are even concerned, as where we are residing. We are unable to tell them anything. We are even running away from our debtors.
So on Monday, 8 September, that is when we'll determine if you'll be going on a demonstration or you are withdrawing from the classrooms.
Well, we even told Director General that he should issue a letter to our CISOs telling them that if we don't stay at post, they shouldn't penalize us. But he said he cannot do that. Our press conference is just to let the general public know what we are going through. From there, we have a date for our demonstration. And this time, we are not just coming to demonstrate a day and go away. We would be there until our salaries reflect in our bank account. We would no longer live again.
That same message was said that the last time you held a demonstration, you saying that you are going to sleep there until your demands are met. And at the end of the day, the assurance from government made you move from the place. How sure are you that this time around, if your demands are not met, you are going to spend the night at the ministry?
All right. So, in as much as we've written to the police requesting for their protection, we are saying that our members are resolute. We don't know what at all will compel the finance minister, Kessel Atoforsi, not to protest our salaries. Look at what he has done to the nurses. Why the teacher? We are resolute in our minds and our decisions that we will not go back until we receive our salaries. If government has something to do, he should do it now before we even do a demonstration. And we know government have a listening ear. If he wants and value us as citizens of this country, then he should do something about our situation even before we go for our press conference on Monday.
So what is your last message for the finance minister and to the president before I let you go?
My message to the finance minister is, or I will start from the president. I want the president to understand that we Ghanaians voted for him because it's on Monday.
So what is your last message for the finance minister and to the president before I let you go?
My message to the finance minister is, or I will start from the president. I want the president to understand that we Ghanaians voted for him because we believed and trusted that he was coming to change our fortune. But this time around, for over 13 good months, over 9 good months of starvation, how then do we believe that he wants to change our fortune? We are asking the president to let us have that same belief and hope we have in him. We have served his office a letter. We have served Parliament a letter, but none of them has not responded to us up to now. We want to ask Ato Forson that is he taking his monthly salary? Then why is he depriving the poor Ghanaian from his salary? Our tears will also reach out to God in heaven. So you should remember that form of accountability he will give to God in heaven. Thank you.
All right, we are trying to get in touch with the PRO for the Ghana Education Service, but he's not answering us, and when we get him...
No, actually, no, I'm not surprised, sir. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is not paying these people, because I knew, sir, this was what was going to happen. We told you guys during the 2024 general elections that we know these people, they have been in government before. And send your most straight see a year teachers now. It's very, very, very high. Over 2013 to 2016. Some men are now tried the Bosumi, Emian Sani Tiauka, Elcha didn't fear me and sorry. Near Tiauka Bosumi Miansa. It was the same John Dramani Mahama. Some Reno, now Professor Jenano Pukajman, Minister for Education, and the Vice President of the Republic of Ghana. Among dream, they don't care about you people. My own say net is for being so. API Casa Monso Mayajuma since January over 7,000 nurses are since January into Yomoka. This is John Dramani Mahama, His Excellency. Or no, any kind of wants me. He doesn't care about you people. He doesn't care about the stress, the pains you guys are going through. All he cares about that he is in government and he's doing what he wants. And it's all the next thing we're teaching now, Shemia. You made the mistake by voting John Dramani Mahama as the President of the Republic of Ghana. And these are some of the consequences I'll be facing. So to about John Dramani Mahama as the President of the Republic of Ghana. So media, what we can do the best necessary, we talk about it, let people know what this government is doing to you people. But I can assure you, this government is going to pay you. What I can tell you is that if Obetuyamwa, it will be from maybe next year going. So you guys are going to work without money. Some of you are even saying, "Sama yejuma, mo de car, obu anu akɔrɛnti dan, untimi ntuya, wabobo sensa, wabre." This is John Dramani Mahama for you. And these things should be normal because he is John Dramani Mahama and he's not willing to pay you guys. I'm just wishing, say, but I remember some 2 months, 3 months ago, Moko controller Accountant General Department, they demonstration, and police for crowd about Pampamo. So it is not surprising to me, but this is John Dramani Mahama, and I hope he listens to you, these guys, this time around. You know what you be bearing. But for now, no, all we can say is say, Ghana are buying John Dramani Mahama, doesn't care about you people, doesn't give a fuck about you people, and this is just the beginning. And you guys are going to suffer. The nurses, the teachers, government workers, you are going to suffer because John Dramani Mahama and Famu. He doesn't care about you people. He doesn't care about you people. And that is John Dramani Mahama. So you guys should be ready to face all these things alone because we told you guys and you did not listen. Ghana TV na onugusu awo share na meeting they promised the blogger. Minister or see obepa say misinformation bill no ono ankasa no on am no or misinforming public no. Now, multi-choice Ghana DSTV yo mo dia say omon ka so mbeti DSTV price omon jintu mu. Minister nso nam no twa ntro so magia to mu. Say omienu no why na Ghana fa adwen di agro. Minister over Sabi minister. DSTV kwa no nya by force. Minim the entire minister no person bibia na ka so ye bibi. DSTV no enya by force. So open as also unhwe DTV ni metro ti na to DSTV e wa wasema. Minister jai dia wo ye no na Ghana for once man. Aka na ipe na apeke entum be kan ye ho a brana be kan ye ho. Dr. Alhaji Muhammadu Bawumia aka na ipe now you're president of Ghana. It's not too late, bra. Na be kan ye ho na ye dom.